Does your inbox feel overwhelmed like this, making it hard to find important emails? That is where Gmail filters come in handy. Automatically sort out specific email and keep your inbox organized. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Samuel, a virtual assistant helping you stay organized and productive. In today's video, I'll show you how to use Gmail filters to manage your inbox like a pro. Whether you want to sort out important messages, block spams, or automate your email sorting, Gmail filters are the perfect tool. Let's jump right in. First, head over to Gmail. You can log into your Gmail and access your inbox as usual. Click on Gmail. Now let's create our first filter. Filter allows you to automatically sort and manage email based on certain criteria like sender, subjects, or keywords. To start, go to the search bar at the top and click on this icon to show more search options. So like I said, you can sort by the sender, you can sort by the two subjects, where the message has, certain where the message doesn't have, and you can sort by the sizes, the duration, and you can search through all the mail or just your inbox, whether it has an attachment. Let's say I want to filter all the incoming emails from a newsletter I subscribe to, like Morning Brew. Here's how I can do it. First, I can open one message from Morning Brew and copy the address here, go back and paste it. Or even easier, I can click the three dots here, click on filter messages like this. This will automatically populate the sender's address into the search bar, saving me time. As I mentioned earlier, you can also add specific details to your filter like subject line, certain words or phrases it has or doesn't have. If you want to just search for this email without applying any action, you can click on search, but in our case, you want to filter them automatically. So you click on create filter to move forward. And let's apply actions to the filter. Gmail offers several options for what you do with the emails that matches our filter criteria. For example, you can choose to skip the inbox and archive the message, or automatically mark as read, tag it as important, apply the label. Since I want to organize this email, I will choose apply the label. Then I'll click choose label. I can choose an existing label or create a new label. So I'll create a new label here. Click on create a new label and give it the name Morning Brew and hit on create. Additionally, you can also forward the emails to another address automatically. You can delete it, never send it to spam. I'll choose that one here. Always mark them as important, never mark them as important. Categorize them under different tabs like primary, social, updates, forum, and the rest. And you can also choose apply filter to matching conversation. What this means is the filter we are creating will not only be applied to future emails, but also to existing emails in our inbox that meets this criteria. And click on create filter. From now on, Gmail will automatically manage these emails for you based on the actions you've set. As you can see, Gmail has organized my inbox by grouping all Morning Brew newsletter under the label Morning Brew. When I check my inbox, you will notice that there are no more Morning Brew emails in the main view. They are neatly tagged under the label. If you ever want to edit this filter or any other filters you've created, it is easy to do. Simply click on the gear icon here, click on see all settings. Let's navigate to filters and block addresses. Here you will see all your filters that you've created. To delete a filter, just click on delete next to the filter. And to edit a filter, just click on edit. Make the necessary changes that you want here. Click continue. And apply all the actions that you want. Then click on update filter. This will update your filter for you. Gmail filters are a powerful way to keep your inbox under control without feeling overwhelmed. You can create multiple filters for different newsletters, clients, or even specific projects, helping you stay organized and focus on what is important. And that is it. You are ready to use Gmail filters to organize and manage your inbox effortlessly. If this video helped you, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on how to boost your productivity. As always, if you need help with email management or any other virtual assistant services, feel free to reach out. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.